Alright, so this is my weather API. I'm doing it really quick because I'm running out of time. Alright, so there's three ways that you can do this. You can either not type in a zip code at all and it'll load a default. You can go back, you can type in, like a random zip code and it'll give you an error, no results found, please try a different zip code. And then you can do you know, uh, you could type in something else and it'll pull it up. Alright, so basically, real quick, how I did this. This is my action controller, so it's basically the same MVC class. I basically made a weather API class, and it's checking to see if the zip code is empty or if it's input. If it is empty, it's just going to go ahead and give this default one, which is our current local one, and then I'm going to go ahead and get weather by zip code, and that's all in my weather class. So in the weather class, I have my URL, my weather Yahoo API URL, and it requires a zip code, so that returns an XML document. And anyhow, so then we got to get the namespace and basically parse the XML. I first start with a location, and if the location is empty, basically that means like if your zip code is invalid, it's going to go ahead and give you an error. Otherwise, we're going to go ahead and parse the XML further to get the condition in the forecast, otherwise it would error out. And then I set all this stuff down here. And this is all the current data for the weather. So like, the time and, the status of it, whether it's sunny, the temperature, all that kind of stuff. That's all in the current, that's why it's an array. But then you have the current stuff, then you have the location and the forecast. I'll put that in a data array, associative array to the data, so I can go ahead and easily parse it. Like in here, I went ahead and I threw some conditionals. If the data is a string instead of an array, it knows it's an error. So otherwise, it's going to go ahead and parse it, and this is how I did it, like data, location, city. So that makes it really easy, and then you get the current date and all that kind of stuff. So, so yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how I did it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.